Junior scientists, have you ever wondered why tornadoes spin like dizzying tops? It all starts with warm air. Imagine the sun heating the ground, making the air warm and light, rising quickly. At the same time, cooler, heavier air sinks. This creates air pressure difference, like a push and pull. When warm and cool air masses meet, especially with winds at different speeds and directions, it creates horizontal spinning. Then, if there's an updraft, horizontal spin tilts vertically, like pulling a spinning top upright. As air continues to rise and spin faster, it stretches downwards, forming familiar funnel cloud. It's powerful dance between warm and cool air, working to create nature's incredible spectacles. So, next time you see a picture of a tornado, you'll know it's science of spinning air. It's nature's windy dance, wild, but wonderful.